Billionaire investor Bill Ackman warns of persistent inflation, how to protect your money. Renowned billionaire investor Bill Ackman recently gave a rare full-length sit-down interview where he discussed a wide range of topics. However, it was his comments on inflation that caught the attention of many. In this video, we will explore Ackman's take on the economy, his reasons for believing inflation will persist, and most importantly, how you can protect your money from the potential impacts of high inflation. We will also delve into Ackman's practical investment strategy to make significant profits in this situation. The changing landscape of inflation. Ackman believes that inflation is going to be persistently higher in the future. He points out that structural forces have changed, leading to a shift in the inflationary environment. In the past, interest rates were kept low to prevent deflation after the financial crisis. However, factors such as trillions of fiscal stimulus, increased government spending, and the psychological impact of being free after lockdowns have ignited inflation. Additionally, the balance sheet of the Federal Reserve is considered imprudent, with a significant portion of debt repricing within the next year. Ackman suggests that these factors, along with others like the global political and economic shuffle, rising production costs overseas, and the push for green energy, indicate that inflation is here to stay. Protecting your money from inflation. Ackman advises investors to be cautious about entering into long-term contracts with fixed prices, such as 30-year contracts with the U.S. government. He believes that the current interest rates do not adequately compensate for the potential long-term inflation. However, he also suggests that there are investment opportunities that can thrive in a high-inflation environment. Ackman focuses on businesses with pricing power and an asset-light approach. Companies with pricing power can increase prices without losing customers, while asset-light businesses do not require significant physical assets to function. By investing in such companies, investors can potentially benefit from inflation rather than being negatively impacted by it. Ackman's investment strategy. Ackman's investment fund is spread across 7 companies, including Chipotle, Restaurant Brands International, Burger King, Tim Horton, Popeyes, Hilton, Lowe's, Howard Hughes, Canadian Pacific Kansas City, and Alphabet, Google. These companies possess characteristics that enable them to withstand or even benefit from inflation. They have pricing power, allowing them to raise prices without losing customers, and follow an asset-light approach, reducing their exposure to rising costs. Ackman's investment fund is spread across just 7 companies and focuses on businesses that act as royalty in their industries, profiting as the industry grows and efficiently navigating through inflation. Conclusion. Bill Ackman's warning about persistent inflation highlights the changing economic landscape and the potential impact on investments. While inflation can be concerning, investors can protect their money by focusing on businesses with pricing power and an asset-light approach. By investing in companies that can thrive in a high inflation environment, investors can potentially benefit from the situation. However, it is essential to conduct thorough research and analysis before making any investment decisions. As always, do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel, All Things Money, to see more content like this.